To add or remove camera filters in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Now, most of the filters are usually in the photo mode right here. So if you click on it like that, again, then it will open a filter presets. You can select any of them or disable them by selecting none. Then we can go into the filters on the right. So first of all, there's the composition. It's called AI composition. Basically, it will try to guide you on how to take better photos. If you want, you can use it. This is not the filter. This right here is a lighting effect, which applies a filter. That means the stars or hearts to the light areas of your photo. So if there's something like the light that I have right here in the bottom right corner, if I would take a photo and it would detect the light here, it would place stars in there or hearts depending on the settings. Then we have the soft light. This is also a filter which applies a soft light to the photos if they have too much exposure. And then there's the filters itself. You can apply the neon city or whatever filters you like, or disable them by selecting original. Then lastly, we have the retouch, which allows you to basically beautify faces. If you take photos of someone, it will try to apply something like a makeup to the photo. This is a filter. You can disable it by moving it to the 0. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.